The figure below is made out of two semicircles. This is important. It's semicircle, it's not a full circle. Find the perimeter of the figure. Okay, so to do this question, we have to add up all the sides because that's what perimeter means. So there are 4 sides to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. So 4 sides to it. 1 and 3 are already known. We just have to find out what 2 and 4 are. In order to find out 2 and 4, you have to recall your circumference formula. What's the formula of a circumference of a circle? It's just pi d. D stands for diameter here, and the question asks you to take pi to be 3.14. Okay, so to find 2, you have to understand that 2 is a semicircle. And to find 4, 4 is also a semicircle. So we'll do 4 first because it's easier. So to find option 4, right, we have to take half of the circumference because like I said earlier, it's a semicircle. So it'll be half pi d instead. So in this case, half times 3.14. As stated in the question, pi is 3.14. Diameter in this case is 40. So I understand that for paper 1, you can't use a calculator. So we'll try to simplify things. So both 2 and 40 are divisible by 2. So we'll cancel it. 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. 40 divided by 2 gives you 20. So this gives you 3.14 times 20. You can split the 20 into 2 times 10. They are the same thing. So now we can, to bring in the 10, we'll just move the decimal point to the right by 1 time because there's only 1 0. So if you move it here, you get 31.4 times 2. So now this is much more easier, right? So what's 31.4 times 2? Decimal point will be kept because you are multiplying it by 1 digit number. So here will be 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So you get 62.8. Now you have to find out what 4 is. Now you have to find out what 2 is. To find 2, you have to find out what the diameter is first. So what is the diameter? The diameter is here, right? So diameter is 40 minus 10 minus 10. And that should give you 20. So it will be half, same formula, pi d, which is half times 3.14, because pi is taken to be 3.14 in this question, times d. D is diameter, and this in this case is 20. So simplify things, both are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. 20 divided by 2 gives you 10. So this is equals to 3.14 times 10. And to bring in the times 10 inside, there's 1 0 here. So shift your decimal point to the right 1 time. You get 31.4. So now we got all 4 sides. We just have to add up all the sides. So perimeter is just the first side plus the second side plus the third side plus the fourth side. So first, so erase things to, I'll erase it to make the diagram less confusing. So first side is 10 cm. So 10 cm. Second side is 31.4. Second side is here. Third side is 10 cm. Fourth side is here. And we have come to a conclusion is 62.8. So we just add things up. You should get 114.2 in the end. And that gives you option 2.